Clara, where are you? You pack up already. Clara? 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 Stop fooling around. We need to pack up already. Clara? Clara? Welcome to the Clara and Isaiah Show. Boom boom.
What are we here to do today?
Well, Clara, today we're here to check out the NUS High School Drama Club.
Well, that sounds amazing!
I know, right? I can't wait to see all of the behind the scenes action.
Yeah, let's go, let's go! Wow!
Wow!
But hey Isaiah, don't you think we're a little out of place today?
Yeah.
Wow, feels great to be in the mandated drama attire of school-based shirt and long pants.
Yeah. School-based shirt. Long pants.
Well, let's get going!
Wow! What luck! They're rehearsing for their plays right now.
Which play?
Every single one of them!
Every single one of them?
Every single one of them!
Well, let's go!
Yeah!
Yes! I told you! You got a B4 for bio! No! Will you marry me? Huh? And I got you this rose, and I need to know. Will you let it grow, let it die?
Yes! Wait, what? Just like that?
You can't stress and possibly a rest style.
If you wasn't dying, we are not going to starve!
I'm not. A seagull landed right here, snatching him out of the water with its beak.
Hey!
You poor little fishies. It can't be that bad.
Is anyone here a doctor?
I'm a doctor
Thank you, could you?
of psychology.
Stop! Is there anything more we can say or do?
You should not be doing your work, but surely you're contradicting yourself. I am not following that one rule to not follow the rules by not following that rule.
Time free!
Okay, pull something out then. Well, what have you got there?
A gun?
No, that's not what you want. Hey, that's quota sampling. This was statistically biased sample. You suck. Ha, quota sampling, statistics. What are you, some kind of nerd? Nerd! Littering. Mwahaha.
One, two, three, four! Stay where you are! Get over here now! Cheryl! Gentle!
No, you.
Wow, it was such a great experience to visit the NUS High School Drama Club today.
I know, right? Especially since we were able to watch every single production they put on ever since 2017.
I sure hope to be back again soon.
Me too. Can I take this off yet?
No!
Oh no!
And this concludes this week's episode of the Clara and Isaiah Show.
Bum bum.